we are looking at how to pronounce this symbol, and that's a unit. We're going to be looking at how to say more vocabulary from science and from Greek as well, just Greek alphabet with letters too. So let's break down what it means and how to pronounce it. So the Greek symbol itself, the letter, is a Greek letter called mu. Yeah, so that's how you say mu. So the abbreviation is mu, the Greek letter, with M, that stands for meter. Mu is corresponds to micro, meaning I think it's 1/1000th of a unit. So micrometre in British English in the UK, or micrometre in American English. So that's mu m, or the unit itself is micrometre or micrometer. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more interesting, fascinating pronunciations. Share this video, like it, to support, appreciate. Thanks for watching.